Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel of Archicad design. We are using Archicad 24. Okay, today we are going to learn about the tools in Archicad, all the tools in Archicad. So the first tool that you're going to learn on is the tools which are on this side. Let me expound on them. So these are all the tools that are on this side. The first tool here is the wall. The wall is the one that here is the column. We have let me do the wall first. There is the wall. You press in, left click, then release it after it is drawn. Column, here is the column. That's how it appears. We'll just see it in 3D. The beam, here it is. This is a beam. Slab, here it is. Here is the slab. That's how it appears. The roof, we have our roof. We're not setting for now. Our roof, it's like this. Let me just demonstrate. That's how we put our roof. Yes. Next is some of the things we're not going to learn today. So the rail, here it is. We just check on them in the 3D. The curtain walls, the door, it is just installed in the wall. There it is, the door. The window, it is installed on the wall. There you go. We are going to move to mesh. It works the same as slab but a bit different, and it has different physical designs. The morphe is used in designing. I'll just illustrate. Object, here is where you get things like bed. When you want to give your house or your design the look, it has everything here. The beds, the chairs, everything that you think of, it is here. Yeah, so you can just put it there, which is already selected. We'll come to corner window. It puts in the corners. Then next we move to the viewpoint. Here is the viewpoint. And our viewpoint, you have selection, elevation, interior elevation, detail, worksheet, and camera. The camera is used to give your 3D the side that you will be looking at your 3D. The side that the sun will be lighting to your 3D. Dimensions. Okay, that is viewpoint. Under documents, we have dimensions, we have label dimension, we have this all text, label, polyline, grid element, we have change, we have filling, we have line, and at last we have drawing. So dimensions, this is the dimensions are the real measurements that are used on site or used to draw and to give your design shape. So you can use different dimensions. Here they are. You can use different dimensions. Next, there is this on the top here. You'll start by seeing unit Archicad. Next, you'll be seeing file, editing, view, design, documents, teamwork, window help. So under file, you'll see where you can have you want to have a new design page. You can open there. Open here. You can open your designs which you have already done. Here. So these are the designs that I've done. Close project here. Close it. Here is save if you have done your work and you did it previously. So here is where you save it. Here you are saving your work afresh. Yep. Here is where you're exporting to cloud. Export to cloud. Yes. And as you go down, some things are not used in the designs. Not all of them, but some are used. As we continue, I'll be showing you. Here in editing, we have paste, we have undo, we have dimensions, we have grouping, we have display order, we have all of these. Under the viewpoint, under the view, we have these here. I'll be showing how they're used. Under designs, we have these ones. Under the documents, we have these ones. Under the option, here is where you change. Option is where you change your dimensions from meters to millimeters to what you want. So you'll just come to option, project preference, then dimension. You click on dimension, you left click. After that, it will give you some minutes to load. Then here's where you can change from plain meters, plain millimeters to all of that. Yeah. Then next is teamwork. We have there window. We have that one. We have there. Okay, let's move to here's where you can undo your work. Maybe you have something here on the sheet. There is where you undo your work. Here, this is undo. This is redo. Here is where as you can see, it is used for highlighting. This one, highlighting. If you want to highlight something, you can click here. It will highlight. As you go, I will be showing you on how these tools are used. These whole tools are used. On the right hand side, we have ground floor. This is where your story or your ground and all your designs are preserved. The ground floor is here. The first floor, second. Then as you continue, more stories they'll be put here. As you go on, here is where you click here, you will see that there is this sheet. this sheet where you can save your work in A4 or A3, escape. Yes, and yeah, that's all about the tools. And I would love to show you now the tools, how they are used. And I will let me just come to 3D and you see what I was trying to tell you. Yeah, so this is how they appear. This is how they appear. This is the rail. This is the roof. This is the slab. This is the chair that we took from the object. This is the beam. This is the column. This is the wall. This is the window. This is the door. And that's all about tools. And I would love to show you how they're used and go to 3D. So please, let's work together. Don't forget to subscribe.